Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid and niacinamide together. These two powerhouse ingredients can transform your skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid is a fantastic humectant, drawing moisture into your skin for a plump, dewy look. Niacinamide, on the other hand, works wonders on texture, reducing the appearance of pores and calming inflammation. When combined, they create a synergistic effect, boosting hydration and strengthening your skin's natural defenses. The order of application is key for getting the most out of these ingredients. Always start with hyaluronic acid on slightly damp skin. This helps it to really pull in and lock down moisture. Once your hyaluronic acid has absorbed, which usually takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then you can apply your niacinamide serum. This sequence allows each product to penetrate effectively without interfering with the other. To achieve the best results, consider starting with a lower concentration of niacinamide, perhaps 2% or 5%, especially if you have sensitive skin. You can gradually increase it as your skin adjusts. Consistency is crucial. Incorporate both into your morning and evening routines. And remember, no matter how great your serums are, always protect your skin with a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30 during the day. A common mistake is applying hyaluronic acid to completely dry skin, which can actually pull moisture from deeper skin layers, making your skin feel drier. Always ensure your skin is slightly damp. Also, resist the urge to introduce too many new active ingredients at once. Give your skin time to adjust. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and is pet-friendly, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.